what kind of instruction you will get.
Because this is a very big school. We learn so many activities like collage making, clay modeling, and coloring, drawing, and poems like finger family. How do you do? I love my school, KV1 Jalahalli. Fundays are the days we students wait for because all the talents of students are exposed on these days and we get to explore so many new activities. It is very exciting and fun-filled on Saturdays.
Anandavar is a big initiative by KVS. My child loves coming to school because of the various activities that are conducted in the school on Saturdays. My child is fortunate to study in KV1 Jalahalli.
When I first came to know about the Saturday fun day, I was little apprehensive, like what is going to happen, this is a new thing. But when I practically saw this thing, that my child coming home, she is telling me that what all things happened today, she was so excited that I also feel very happy. Sometimes they are doing some craft work which develops their motor skills. Sometimes they do music and dance, that is also something different from their studies. So this is a kind of removing their boredom out of their everyday day-to-day books and all. So it's a fun day for them. They feel happy, and looking at them we also feel happy that it's very nice thing which is going on.